What we're going to be doing now is turning this beautiful, fresh, sun-kissed vibe into a more of a dramatic evening look. So we're going to start by featuring two of our new products. First of all, we have our gel lip liner. This is in Poppy Punch, and we're going to marry that perfectly with our brand new Lipstick Velvet Kiss in the same colour. These are really beautiful, vibrant red that we're going to use to give us a nice, strong evening look. I'm going to start by applying a little bit of the eyeshadow primer to the lip. This gives a nice silicone base that gives the gel lip liner a nice smooth surface to glide across. It also keeps the lips nice and supple, and having that silicone base down will help increase the durability of the lipstick product as well. Next, I'm going to first coat the lip with the gel lip liner in Poppy Punch. These pencils are really nice, soft and creamy pencils, but they're really, really durable. So once they've actually set, you get a really nice durable finish to them, but they're not too dry or chalky when you're applying them either. So we're going to use this as a nice base to our lipstick. So after drawing the Cupid's bow, just filling in the top part of the lip, and then we're going to use the natural shape of the lip to round up from the corner and join the Cupid's bow. So we're not extending the lip line, but we're slightly manipulating the shape. So what you don't want to do with lips is go straight into the corner. You always want to make sure you come from the corner and you come up into a curved arch. Next, using the lip brush from the Blue Master range, number 8902, we're going to apply the Lipstick Velvet Kiss in Poppy Punch. It's a really beautiful lipstick with a satin finish. It's got some really beautiful hydrating ingredients in there as well. It's made with hyaluronic acid, marigold flower extract and jojoba seed oil, which is really moisturising and caring for the lips. So as well as being really durable, it also keeps the lips feeling nice and fresh and moisturised, and prevents that dry feeling that you can sometimes get when you've been wearing lipstick for a long time. So Lipstick Velvet Kiss is long lasting and it has that real velvety finish to it. So it's not matte and dry, you've got a soft satin finish to the beautiful red lip. Beautiful, beautiful. Thanks so much for watching our video today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.